So good afternoon from Chishui. We made it in the end last night. What we didn't realise when those tickets said 6:30 on was that there were minibuses all the time until 6:30. So we were sitting around like a couple of donuts until someone just said. Really.
Yeah, well, basically I wanted to go outside for a cigarette and I showed him my ticket, asking if it's okay if I go outside for a smoke. And then he looked at me and like, what? And then he basically led me to the bus and we understood that that's the one we need to go, and they've been going all along.
Yeah. So that was at about 10 to 6.
Yeah.
So we'd been waiting for the best part of 4 hours.
Yeah. So,
anyway, we made it in the end.
We made it here. It was really, the bus journey didn't seem to be anywhere going like in a rural place. It just seemed like going through one big town.
I was just coming on the highway.
Yeah. And we arrived here and it's very beautiful down here.
Yeah. So we got off the bus and it's right by the river. Walked over the bridge, getting a lot of crazy looks.
Yeah, I think it's been the worst here now.
Yeah, I don't think they get many foreigners here at all.
Yeah.
So we didn't have anywhere booked for the first time coming to a place in China. We didn't have anywhere, but we just found a hotel, walked in, and it was 128 for a night.
Yeah. Well, another thing.
The room is massive.
It's huge. The bathroom is bigger than my room in Seven Sisters when I lived, and like it's not a joke. It's true. And basically, we also learned another thing, that if it says single, it has a bed in it, which is like a double-sized bed, but it's for one person. Yeah. And our big has actually 2 big beds, TV, computer, sofa, and a view to the river.
Yeah. So this is the rooftop here.
Yeah.
We're doing laundry at the moment.
For free.
But yeah, and there's the river. And it's so hot today. It's like 32 or something.
Yeah.
It's definitely the hottest so far.
Max had a haircut.
Yeah, so today we're just sort of doing chores basically. We're doing laundry at the moment. Up on the roof, the machine's over there somewhere. And I went and had a haircut, and that's pretty much going to be it today.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're going to start exploring.
Yeah.
There's a few places around here, as I'm sure
Stay
we've
healthy.
said. But yeah, a couple of beers on the rooftop while we're waiting for this. Yeah, there seems to be a lot of water hanging around on this roof. Just formed a little pond. Yeah, tomorrow we're going to do stuff.
We will.
Yeah.
We'll wake up at 7, as we always try to do. But because of me, it never works out because I end up staying late playing Sims. You need to hide my computer mouse, Max.
It's another day and another bus station, this time Chishui. We're leaving. What did you think of Chishui?
It was a nice place.
Yeah, I thought so too.
It was very friendly.
Yeah.
We haven't seen any white tourists for about 11 days now,
Yeah.
and it's good. I like it. I would recommend if you want to come and see less busy tourist attractions.
So it's like the first real time we've seen like proper countryside as well.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of scenery around here, lots of places to go, lots of parks. We obviously went to see the big waterfall, and yesterday we went to the Red Rock Gorge, which was really nice as well, lots of waterfalls.
And we actually went there by accident because we wanted to go and see
Bamboo forest.
but we couldn't find.
It seemed a bit tricky to get to. So this one just had a bus there. But when we left, we'd missed the last bus. You hear that word that you dread to hear in China, Mayo, which means finished. Are you going to show?
Yeah, this is where we went to.
Got a little leaflet there.
I think if you're coming to Chishui, then you will, in your hotel, there should be one of these, just like a booklet. It is in Chinese, but you can get the gist from the pictures. There's more pictures, I would say, than words. Like
there's the slide.
We went on. That was fun.
Yeah. So
the entrance for the park was okay. So we got to the bus station, then we got the bus, and it was 8:01.
Yeah.
And then we go to the park, and in the hotel we got given these vouchers that you can have a discount on the price, and so we ended up paying 25 each for the 25.50 each for the ticket to the car. And then the slide was another 30, and yeah, it's about.
it's pretty good value already.
Yes, it's a good value.
And as I was saying, yeah, we came out and we were told the last bus had gone. Sort of sitting there on the roadside, not knowing what to do, hoping a bus was going to come along. And then the security guard out front that we talked to ran out and was like, quick, not saying English words, but. And then a cement mixer comes out, and this guy in the cement mixer gave us a lift to the nearest town,
That was
which was
fun.
good fun.
Yeah.
And from there we just got a bus easily back to Chishui.
It was only 3 yuan for the bus. Obviously, the cement mixer didn't want it anyway.
But he did want a selfie.
He did want a selfie in the film, but it's standard. Then this morning, in a fight with my packing, I lost a nail. So gonna have to try to sort it out. What are your thoughts on Chishui?
I really liked it. I would definitely recommend it to anyone in this sort of area of China. Even if you're not, just come here. It's really good. Very quiet, no tourists about really.
The only bit of tourists, like the Chinese tourists, we saw yesterday more than any time, because tomorrow apparently there's going to be a dragon boat race.
Yeah, so we heard this morning. We were having noodles and a guy came over and started talking to us in English and told us that tomorrow is going to be the dragon boat race on the river, which is a shame that we're going to miss it. But hopefully it's on in Gaiyang where we're going now. So we're getting a bus now. It's going to be about 8 or 9 hours to Gaiyang, which is like the capital of this province. And maybe it's on there as well. Hopefully it will be. We'll see.
The ticket from Chishui to Gaiyang is 140 yuan.
130.
130, that's good.
For a 9-hour bus.
For a 9-hour bus. Anything else you want to add?
I don't think so. I think we've covered it in 4.5 minutes.
Yes. The recommendation on Booking.com there are some hotels for Chishui, but we quite easily found a hotel without Booking.com, and we even read somewhere that you can haggle on the room. We haven't tried it, but if you want to try it, go for it.
Right.
Yeah.
See you in Gaiyang.
Bye.